It's 12-part counterpoint.
It's not very relaxing.
You just have to stretch your ears out a little more, you know? Can't you feel the dance in it?
Not really. It's like a heartbeat, but a very irregular heartbeat. Like one that's gonna like give out.
Come on, man, loosen up. Get into it.
Oh. No, I'm sorry. I'm not feeling this right now. It sounds great. I like Stravinsky.
I mean, it's a masterpiece.
Do you have like AC/DC or something?
No.
What else do you
Let me
got?
see what else I've got.
Do you have like Rolling Stones or something?
You don't like Mahalia Jackson?
Who?
You don't like this?
It's okay. I can get into it. What's happening to me? 2 and 4. 2 and 4. We're not so white that we clap on 1 and 3.
That's right.
That's right. We shall overcome our whiteness.
Amen.
Amen.
Oh,
But do you have anything by like Metallica or something?
No.
Something heavier.
Something heavier.
Yeah.
I lost myself on a cool damn night. I gave myself in that misty light. Was hypnotized by a strange delight. On the lilac tree,
You don't like it, do you?
I made wine from the lilac tree. Put my heart in its
No, could you put something else on?
Yeah.
That's not what I meant when I said heavy. That was the polar opposite of what heavy was in my mind.
Well, I mean, it's a sad song, you know? It's kind of heavy. With some depth.
Oh, emotionally heavy. Okay. I meant just like heavy hitting with the beat.
Maybe we could turn the radio on.
Something less staticky.
How about that?
Less staticky. That's
And-
pure white
I know,
noise. Is this what you like? Do you like to just listen to white noise?
You got a problem with white noise? It's all the rage these days.
Well, it's all the frequency. That's why. Kind of sounds like waves on an ocean. It's like we're at the beach.
Yeah.
That sounds like that. Could you turn another station?
Sounds kind of like an infomercial.
That's commercial music. This sounds exactly like the last one.
Music these days.
Pretty some bad character, them the kind of living can hold chaka. Follow me. A pretty some bad character, them the kind of living can hold chaka. Say, girl, you pretty, your face it pretty, but your character dirty. Girl, you just a act too.